Promoting adult offers without a website is 100% possible in 2025, especially with smart link networks, social platforms, and creative strategies that require zero coding or hosting. Here's a step-by-step breakdown that's beginner-friendly but includes advanced angles for scaling. 1. Use AI smart links from adult affiliate networks. Sign up for networks like Crack Revenue, Trophy, iMonetize It, or Los Palos. These platforms offer smart links, automated links that redirect users to the most relevant, high-converting offers based on their device, location, and interest. You don't need a website because the network handles the redirection and landing pages for you. 2. Leverage social media, especially X and Reddit. X, Twitter. Create a niche-specific profile, e.g., at Los de Latinas Hub or at CosplayCams. Post teaser images, with permission, memes, or spicy captions with your smart link. Reddit. Participate in niche subreddits, like r/nsfw_gifs or r/amateur. Some allow affiliate links in the comments or bio. Always read the rules. Use curiosity-based titles and drop your link in a natural way. 3. Use Telegram groups. Join or create adult content Telegram groups. Share exclusive content previews. Interact with members, and include your smart link. Pin the link in the group or set it as your bio. This works especially well with dating or cam offers. 4. Use link aggregators, Linktree, TapLink, etc. Create a free Linktree page and put your smart links there. Then use this Linktree in your social bios. Many platforms allow Linktree, even when they restrict direct affiliate links. 5. Paid traffic. No website needed. Pop under ads. Use platforms like PopCash, Richids, or Traffic Junkie. Direct traffic straight to your smart link. Push notifications. Set up simple push campaigns targeting adult niches with curiosity headlines like Watch Her Tonight or Lonely Girls Near You. Use trackers like Bmob or ClickMagick to monitor what traffic converts best and adjust accordingly. 6. Email marketing. Build or buy a targeted adult traffic email list. Make sure it's legal and opt-in. Use a free autoresponder like MailerLite or low-cost tools like SendFox. Share teaser stories or content with a call to action linking to your smart link. 7. Short-form video platforms with safe redirects. TikTok or Instagram Reels. Make clean but suggestive content, e.g., we reviewed the top cam sites so you don't have to eyes, and push users to the link in your bio. Redirect viewers from these platforms to a link tree, which then sends them to your smart link. 8. Comment hijacking on forums or videos. On YouTube adult toy reviews, dating advice channels, or cam reaction videos, drop insightful comments with a soft CTA. Example, that's why I started using this site. It auto-matches you with real people. Link in bio. 9. SlideShare or Pinterest. Believe it or not, Pinterest allows soft adult content in private boards or promoted pins. Upload simple image carousels like top 5 campsites in 2025 and link to your smart link. Make sure your titles are curiosity-driven. 10. Direct messaging. Cautiously. Build trust in a niche community, then message users one-on-one offering free trials or access links. This works better in Telegram and Discord groups where relationships matter.